Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into the best products on the market. Today, we're featuring what we confidently call the best non-stick frying pan set with lids, the All-Clad HA1 hard anodized non-stick fry pan set. If you're on the hunt for reliable, high-performance cookware that fits your daily kitchen needs while offering pro-level features, this is a set you don't want to miss. Let's start with what you get in the box. The All-Clad HA1 set includes 3 skillets 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. Plus a lid that fits the 10 and 12-inch pans. This trio covers all your everyday frying, sautéing, and searing needs. Whether you're flipping eggs in the morning or pan-searing salmon at night, this set is designed to be your go-to kitchen companion. Now, let's talk design and construction. These pans are built from hard anodized aluminum with a bonded stainless steel base, delivering fast and even heat distribution with no hot spots. That means better control over cooking temperatures and consistently great results. The exterior is matte black and sleek, with a professional finish that looks fantastic on any stovetop. The stainless steel handles are double riveted, giving you a strong, secure grip, and the tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your food without letting heat escape. It's a blend of elegance and function. Of course, the main attraction is the non-stick performance. The HA1 series uses a high-quality PTFE non-stick coating that's PFOA-free and incredibly smooth. You'll be amazed at how easily food releases from the surface. Whether you're making delicate omelets or crispy skinned chicken thighs, nothing clings to these pans. Cleanup is equally effortless. While they are dishwasher safe, a quick hand wash with a soft sponge and some soap is all you need. And as with any premium non-stick, you'll want to stick with silicone, nylon, or wooden utensils to keep the surface pristine for years. These pans are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and the glass lids are safe up to 350. So yes, you can start cooking on the stovetop and finish in the oven, no problem. They're also compatible with all stovetops, including induction, thanks to the stainless steel base. Designed in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania and manufactured in China, this set also comes with a limited lifetime warranty, a great testament to All-Clad's commitment to durability and performance. Now let's talk value. The current list price is $199.99, but it's often available for less. Right now you can grab it for around $159. That's a solid price for premium cookware that delivers reliable performance, longevity, and versatility. To sum it up, the All-Clad HA1 fry pan set checks all the boxes: beautiful design, pro-grade construction, effortless non-stick release, and compatibility with all cooking surfaces. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned home chef, this is a set that will elevate your kitchen game. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss a product critique deep dive. See you in the next video.